Welcome to another video presentation of the Drone Passport channel. According to the FCC, you are looking at the most ominous drone. The DJI Neo 2. Don't let its small size fool you. It is equipped with military-grade sensors! Look at this dangerous drone as it heads towards trees. This is scary stuff. The fact that it bypasses the trees each time brings fear to FCC Commissioner Brendan Carr, as this LiDAR technology is threatening this poor tree. Representative Elise Stefanik is shielding her eyes in horror as she sees this. The trees are being defeated by this poor little drone. Let's see if the drone can fly in the air with this technology. It cannot be true. These colors have to be artificially created. They cannot be real. This is all an optical illusion. No drone this size can perform these features. Perhaps this LiDAR technology can be used for car cameras to help people back up safely. Or it can be applied to other uses like robotic vacuum cleaners to avoid walls or pool cleaners. But that would put military-grade equipment in the public's hands.
No! Saith Commissioner Carr! We must not give the people what they want. We have to keep them safe.
Without this technology, this is another parody video from the Drone Passport channel to illustrate just how silly the FCC docket number 26-189 is for consumers, as LiDAR technology serves many useful purposes. This is nothing more than an attempt to eliminate useful items that we use for photography, videography, cleaning homes, and other useful purposes. It is also part of a master plan to rid the American market of DJI drones. Your smartphone has this technology, and next, they will come for that. You have until September 2 to make a comment on the FCC docket 26-189. Let the FCC know that the docket is ridiculous and should not be made into a rule. To all of the subscribers of this channel, thank you for your continued support. If you are not already a subscriber, please consider joining. But most importantly, please give the video a like and a thumbs up to spread the word about this ridiculous proposal.
In the words of Mike, bye for now!